Okay, friends, here we go. So we're going to listen to a section from Shark Bites and we're going to think, what's the main topic? And then we'll tell a key detail from that section to our home teacher. Ready? So the first section we'll listen to is called Dangerous Monsters? No way! Okay, get your listening, whole body listening ready and listen to this section. Here we go. There are over 400 species of sharks, and of these, only about a dozen are known to be dangerous to humans, and encounters are extremely rare. The truth is, despite their fearsome reputations, humans are much more dangerous to sharks than they are to us. Every year, humans kill more than 100 million sharks. It's important to treat sharks with respect, but there's no need to fear them. What was the main topic for this whole section? Did you have an idea of what this was all about? What was the author trying to teach you about in this Shark Bite section? Turn and tell your home teacher, press pause, and talk to your home teacher about that. What was the main topic? Okay, so you got the main topic ready? We'll add that to our chart on the next slide. Did you have a key detail that was interesting to you or a fact from that section? Tell your home teacher that. Okay, we'll see if we had the same one on the next slide. All right, so we're going to try it again. We're going to try to do main topic and key detail in another section. And the next section we're going to read is called No Toothbrush Here. Ready? All right, get your whole body ready to listen and try to determine the main topic of this section in Shark Bites. No toothbrush here. Sharks have impressive teeth arranged in rows along their gums. These teeth are constantly grown and move forward in their mouth like a conveyor belt. Was Eugenie afraid of sharks because of their sharp teeth? No way. She was only bitten once in her life, and the encounter didn't even happen underwater. Once, on her way to a school visit with the mounted jaws of a tiger shark sitting beside her in the car, Eugenie had to stop quick at a red light. She reached across the seat to stop the jaws from tumbling forward, and the teeth chomped her on the arm. What was this section all about? What was the main topic here? What was the author teaching you about in this little Shark Bite? Pause the video and turn to your home teacher and tell them. Okay, did you come up with the main topic for this section, No Toothbrush Here? How about an interesting detail? Did you have one you want to share with your home teacher? Share that now. All right, we're going to go on the next slide and see if your ideas match my chart. See you there.